How to find the seller on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can find a seller on Mercari, and here is how to go about it. The first step, of course, is to I'll note that there are different strategies. The first way is by making use of keyword optimization. That is, efficient search begins with the right keywords. So think about the specific items you are interested in and use the relevant keywords for that. So once you have the relevant keywords at the top part of the screen, click on the search box and then type out the keywords. Let's say, for example, you are looking for um vintage dresses. So you can just click on that. And then once you click on it, the results that are available based on that particular description will be displayed to you. And then if you cannot find the exact result, you can make use of filters, all right? And you can do so by moving to the top right corner and click on the filter option next to the search box. And here you can see filters allowing you to like sort out the kind of item that you would like to get. So do you want the best match? Which one do you want? The newest first, the lowest price first? Just go ahead and select the one you want. Then select under any of the price. You can select a minimum as well as a maximum, and then select a color and then click on apply, and then the search will be refined, and then you can see search based on that. And if the keywords are not it's not bringing you what you want, you can go ahead and enter in something else in order for you to find the sellers that sell those products. Maybe for example, you are looking for a seller that sells gowns, for example. So you can just do that, or vintage gowns. Let's say, for example, vintage gowns. That is what you would enter in here and click on search and make use of the filters in order to get answers. And if you still cannot get answers, scroll down until you can see similar products. So from here, you can also check out if you can find the seller that you're looking for, or sellers of that particular product. So for example, I know a particular seller on Mercari known as Tony. So you can see Tori Botch. So by clicking on Tony Botch, you can see that now the items are still not displayed, but similar items have been displayed. So you can now go ahead to check out any of these items if you can find the seller there. So another thing is by exploring sellers profiles. All right, when you find an item you like, all you need to do is to click on the seller profile, and then you'll be able to check out their ratings, explore their other listings to see if you have more items that you're interested in. And then you can also interact with sellers through direct messaging to ask questions or negotiate prices. So these are the ways you can find sellers on Mercari. The major way is to ensure that you have keywords that qualify what they are selling or that qualify their brand, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.